Hi, welcome back to Twist Fashion, or if you're new here, then thank you for joining us. So this is the hat block that I made the other day. You can check that out in part 1. And today we're going to show you how to make a Percher hat. Now you can either, there's a few different methods. You can either use a saucer which has the indent of the forehead in it already. This is how it's been moulded. And that just sits on the forehead with a Millinery elastic going around the back of your hairline. Or you can use a little skull cap, and I'm going to place the rose on the top when that's finished, also with some Millinery elastic, easy for me to say, not. Or you can use a mould, and that can sit forward, and we'll use some wire at the back. Obviously this will be covered. The wire will be fixed onto a hairband and covered. I've sewn the elastic onto the cap, and then if you're wondering how to make this cinnamon rose with loops, I've done a tutorial on the rose before. Then I've just added the loops, which I'm going to sew on now. Basically I've just tucked them behind the creases, just sew those into place, and then you can start sewing it onto the cap. So for the other methods that I showed you at the start, I will show you those in a separate video. So if you'd like to see the other Percher hats, then please check out those videos. So I'm just going to keep sewing this till it feels all securely into place. I don't need that clip anymore. Just gonna. Often it's better to use a longer needle because the rose is quite a 3D size, so I can't always get right through. So with a longer needle you've got more reach, but it seems to be going okay. So once you've done that, you can start stitching it onto the cap. So I've placed it on whilst I've had it on my head with 2 clips. I'm going to secure it with the needle and thread. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them. Leave them in the comments, or any other hats you want to see me make, or anything for that matter. It doesn't have to be a hat. I do all sorts of DIYs. Right, I think I'll go a little bit to the back. Product, I sewed it onto the base, and then I've put a little felt patch for comfort and to hide the stitching underneath. And yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.